for humanity. Asante sana. I thank you. Arigato gozaimasu. Thank you very much. I express my deepest gratitude for the warm welcome and generosity extended to me and my delegation on this magnificent city of Yokohama since my arrival here in Japan. It is also my profound honor to stand before this august assembly, which represents one of the world's most dynamic urban centers. Yokohama is not only a thriving industrial hub and a magnet for foreign direct investment, but it is also an internationally recognized center of commerce, culture, and innovation. Its reputation as a global city of the future is well-earned and richly deserved. Mr. President, honorable members, as a smart city, Yokohama demonstrates how research, innovation, and human ingenuity can transform societies and build resilience, future-ready communities. This city embodies the promise that with vision and sustained effort, meaningful and inclusive development is possible. Kenya greatly values the lessons and opportunities for collaboration that Yokohama represents. Our theme today, people-to-people partnership for shared prosperity, captures the true spirit of international cooperation. Ultimately, relationships between nations must serve the common good of their citizens. These ties are well cultivated through cultural exchanges, educational programs, sporting collaboration, and knowledge sharing. And I'm happy that in our audience today are students from different parts of Yokohama. Such interactions break down stereotypes, deepen cultural understanding, bridge divides, prevent conflict, and nurture trust. When people meet, learn from each other, and share experiences, they become formidable, credible ambassadors of peace, mutual understanding, and prosperity. Already, vibrant partnership exists between Kenya and Yokohama. For example, the exchange program between Yokohama Commercial High School and Alliance High School in Kenya has fostered authentic cross-cultural and educational experiences for students in both countries. Such initiatives nurture friendships that last a lifetime. Kenya welcomes the expansion of similar programs in more schools, technical institutions, and universities. Kenya's energy mix is already 90% green and renewable, giving investors access to reliable, competitively priced power with one of the lowest carbon footprints globally, an ideal platform to anchor industrial capacity. In addition, our agricultural sector offers high-quality products produced through sustainable practices, ensuring minimal carbon footprint and alignment with global climate-conscious supply chains. These advantages, coupled with Kenya's dynamic market and regional connectivity, make our country the most strategic destination for Japanese investment in Africa. Sports is another powerful channel of connection between Kenya and Japan. Since the 1980s, our athletic ties have flourished. I pay tribute to Douglas Wakihuri, the legendary Kenyan marathoner who blazed the trails as the first Kenyan athlete to train and work in Japan. His example inspires hundreds of other athletes to follow in his footsteps. Today, more than 200 Kenyan athletes are engaged in Japanese sporting institutions, strengthening people-to-people ties and inspiring new generations. This is a remarkable story of shared sporting passion and excellence. I want to encourage Japanese sporting clubs in rugby, volleyball, football, and other disciplines to explore Kenya's pool of talent and expertise. I also invite our Japanese partners to participate in our school's drama and music festivals, which showcase a rich talent and provide a unique opportunity for cultural exchange and talent development while forming a strong base for global understanding of cultures. Kenya is proud to have hosted KISII in 2016, the first TICAD ever convened outside Japan. That milestone affirmed Africa's growing role in shaping its own development agenda and remains a towering reminder of our shared commitment to partnership. The TICAD process continues to strengthen Africa-Japan cooperation in investment, infrastructure, human capital, and sustainable growth. Kenya and Japan enjoy a friendship that has flourished over 6 decades. During this time, Japan has been a steady partner in our development journey. Japan's contribution is visible across key sectors: infrastructure, agriculture, water, energy, health, and human resource development. From geothermal power generation to the transformation of Mombasa Port into a global maritime hub, Japan's support has been instrumental in positioning Kenya as a strategic gateway into Africa. With more than 100